Hi there, it's Ronnie, and today I'm gonna show you what once saved my balance from being completely wiped out. I used to enter on emotions. I guessed, I rushed, confused pullbacks with reversals, and the market simply took me out. But at some point, I tried the MACD plus Vortex combo and discovered how to correctly enter precise trades right in the moment. And that's exactly how I grew my balance from $60,000 to $3,000 today. Not because I got lucky, but because I stopped blindly jumping into the trades and started reading the movement structure. So let's begin. And if you want a precision and a clear action plan, not just chaos, check out my Telegram. There I show trades online, explain the context, and give access to automatic trade copying. You always control your account but reduce the amount of mistakes. Every day I show new situations and methods only for participants. There are almost no free spots left, so make sure you check out that link below this video, write to me and I will add you. So before opening trades, I'll set up the platform for movement accuracy. Set the chart type to candlestick, time frame 10 seconds. The strategy is based on the MACD and Vortex indicators. Now I will add the settings. MACD is an indicator that shows impulse and the reversal moment. I set fast period to 10. This is a fast reaction to price changes. Slow period 20. This is a smoother movement. Signal period 5. This is the line that helps see the reversal point. For the style, I will remove the histogram, keep only the lines, and make them more saturated. Now, Vortex. It shows the trend direction and who is stronger, buyers or sellers. Period 10. This is the window over which the indicator analyzes trend strength. For the style, I'll make the lines more saturated. Let's begin. I'm opening a series of trades and I've already picked an entry point. So I'm opening to the downside for $60, trade time 1 minute. Watch why exactly here. I'll start immediately with MACD. Look, the line after a rise starts clearly curving downward. Before this, it was confidently moving upward, supporting growth. But now it's changing its slope and reversing. This means buyers are no longer pulling the price and upward impulse is ending. And the market is ready to move into decline. The red vortex line is rising upward and the green one is dropping, so sellers are becoming more active and buyers are losing strength. When these lines start diverging in favor of the red one, the market more often continues downward movement, not upward. And the candles are going down without resistance. So we're waiting for the trade to close, and it brings me my first $115 today. Excellent. Let's keep going. And it gets even more interesting further. I'll enter a trade to the downside again for 115. Watch. Both MACD lines start bending downward. Before this, they were both stretching upward, supporting growth. And now they're simultaneously changing their slope. When two lines together reverse downward, it indicates that the rise is completely exhausted. The buyer has weakened and now it's easier for the market to move downward. The red vortex line rises higher. This shows increasing seller activity. And the green line goes down, meaning buyer strength is falling. When the lines diverge exactly like this, it almost always means the market is ready to continue declining. So we're waiting for the trade to close and I get $221 very well. And if you want a precision and a clear plan, not a chaos, just check out my Telegram because there I show trades online, explain the context, and give you access to copy my trades automatically. The link is below this video, write to me and I will add you. So trading is quite interesting today. My next entry point is again to the downside for $221. I believe the market is on my side. Both MACD lines start turning downward and literally simultaneously change direction. This means the market is returning to decline, that is, no one pulling the price upward anymore. The red vortex line is rising, meaning sellers are becoming stronger. The green line is dropping, meaning the buyer is giving up the position. Here a trade to the downside looks absolutely natural, so we're waiting for the trade to close, and it brings me $424. Excellent. And again, I'll open the trade to the downside. for $424, expecting a price decline. Both MACD lines gradually but simultaneously start turning downward. The green line is below the red. This indicates the market is ready to return to decline. MACD here, with the direct movement, shows the end of the upward pullback. The red vertex line is rising, meaning sellers are strengthening. And the green line is dropping, meaning buyers are giving up the position. When the lines diverge in favor of the red one, it means the market is leaning toward downward movement. So we're waiting for the trade to close, and I got $815. Very nice. The market has now changed direction, and it's an excellent moment to enter the upside for $815. Both MACD lines, which before were moving down, along with the price decline, stop and start smoothly reversing upward. The green is already above the red. They're moving almost parallel and changing their slope towards growth. The green vertex line is rising upward and the red one is going down. When the lines diverge exactly like this, it's a direct indicator that the buyer is starting to dominate and the seller is giving up positions. I entered at the moment when the market is just starting to rise. So I'm waiting for the trade to close, and I got $1,565, a wonderful result. And to finish, I'll open a trade once more to the downside for $1,565. Both MACD lines, which before were supporting growth, stop rising and start smoothly moving downward with the red above the green. The indicator shows a transition to decline. Essentially, it's a reversal from the top. The red vertex line is rising. This means seller pressure is increasing. And the green line is decreasing, meaning buyers are weakening. So we confidently wait for the trade to close. And yes, I got $3,005 plus in my balance, and I'm very, very satisfied. So today you saw how the MACD plus Vortex combo removes all the unnecessary noise from the chart and immediately shows where the market is truly gaining strength and where the movement is simply dying. From 60, I reached $3,005, not through risk, but through points where impulse and direction align. And if you want to analyze the market just as calmly and confidently, check out my Telegram, where I analyze the situations in real time and show my logic of entries.